Bangladesh faces fuel crisis. India offers help. The Hormuz Strait closure has led to a severe fuel shortage in Bangladesh, affecting the daily lives of its citizens. India has come forward to assist Bangladesh, aiming to alleviate the fuel crisis and provide relief to the people. This move is expected to strengthen the bilateral ties between India and Bangladesh, showcasing India's commitment to supporting its neighboring countries in times of need. The fuel shortage in Bangladesh has been a major concern, with prices skyrocketing and supplies dwindling. India's help is seen as a beacon of hope for the Bangladeshi people. As the situation continues to unfold, the international community is watching closely, with many praising India's efforts to extend a helping hand to Bangladesh. The current status is that India is working closely with Bangladesh to ensure a steady supply of fuel, with talks of further cooperation and assistance in the pipeline. With India's support, Bangladesh is expected to overcome the fuel crisis, and the lives of its citizens are likely to return to normal soon. As of now, the situation is being closely monitored, and the people of Bangladesh are hopeful that the fuel crisis will be resolved soon, thanks to India's timely intervention. The fuel crisis in Bangladesh has been a major challenge, but with India's help, the country is poised to overcome this hurdle and emerge stronger than ever. The current status is that the fuel crisis in Bangladesh is being addressed, and the country is on the path to recovery, thanks to India's assistance and support.